Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Now today we are going to talk about the signage on these highways. Now this highway, it goes from Maypen to Mandeville. Just opened recently and they don't have proper signage, they don't have enough signage. Now the police came out recently and said that this highway does not have enough signage. The police, when this road opened, it was even worse. You had the Maypen interchange, no signs, no arrows, nothing. Where this road ends and merges with Melrose Hill, the Melrose Hill bypass, a merge where the two lanes and a highway come into one, not adequate signage. Even driving on the road, they don't have enough signage. What I can't understand is why. Why is it like this? This is $1 billion highway. What is up with the signage? They opened the Maypen bypass and the police who issue tickets are the ones who are saying this road does not have proper signage. Marky, they added some signage since it opened, but when it opened, it did not have enough. And the police who write people tickets, people going on the road in the wrong direction because there is no sign that says no entry. But if you think this is bad, the highway that's being built from Kingston to Portland, more specific from Harborview to Yalos, oh my God, that is a nightmare. That road is still under construction, but there is no signage. Guys, check out the videos. We have said it many times. You drive on the road and the left lane where we are going this way, the right lane beside us going the other way, the lane on the other side going in all sorts of directions. You come to a spot on the road, you don't know where to go, left or right. There is no sign that says detour, go here. There is nobody out there with a flag. It's utter chaos, and it's as if nobody cares. This road opened. This road is under the control of NROC. NROC opened this road. The road did not have proper signage. We spoke about the interchange. Didn't have proper signage. It's as if NROC opened the road without the National Road Safety Council. I can give you a joke. The National Road Safety Council never drove on this road before it was opened. They never drove on this road before it was opened. A highway, a major highway in Jamaica was opened and they never drove on it. Another road entity had nothing. They basically, a lot of entities outside of the police have said this road needs more signage. A lot of them. Some of them never even drove on the road before it was opened to the public. But what I can't understand is how expensive is it to put up a sign? It's not hard. These are not electronic signs. You just get a piece of metal, paint it, and put a stand on it. So why is there not enough? Now the police did say that sometimes you build a road and after it's opened you realize that you need this here and you need that there. They were being very lenient with the people. So the road was opened and I guess it was after they opened it they realized that they needed more signs. Okay, great. But the other highway to Yalos, utter chaos. It's under construction. You should have some sort of system to direct the traffic while it's under construction. It's a free-for-all. Guys, check out the videos. You'll be amazed. And we're going to make some new ones over the weekend to see if there is any improvement. Now, this even was on a news station the other day, and you should hear the comments that the people left. The people say on Monday you drive on this side of the road, by Wednesday you're on the other side of the road, and there are no signs to say detour here, go that way, nothing. It's chaos. And that road is under the management of NWA. And you would think these entities that are in charge of the building of roads would do a better job. Now, sometimes in Bull Bay, Bull Bay is between Harborview and Yalos. You have a major town. You have traffic jams. Now, I can tell you this. I can't remember ever seeing the police on the highway from Harborview to Yalos. They moved the Bull Bay police station. They tore it down, so they have a temporary station. But I cannot remember ever seeing police out there directing traffic. Now, I'm not sure if it's the police to direct the traffic while the road is under construction. Maybe it's a contractor, maybe it's the NAA, I'm not sure, but whoever it is, they're not doing the job properly. So hopefully they will make improvements. And then in Jamaica, you have lawlessness on the road. Let me say that again. In Jamaica, you have a lot of lawlessness on the roads. So if people don't know where to drive, they're just going to drive anywhere. And you don't have people out there, flagmen, directing the traffic. So it's something that needs improving. But back to the original topic. Why is it so hard to put up these signs? Why? Who? Well, I guess no one said toward the road, because the National Road Safety Council would say, okay, you need to put some more signs here or there. No input. People just open the road when they want. And I'm not even sure if the National Road Safety monitors the highways. But it's not only a problem with the highways in Jamaica. It's a problem with all the roads. Signage is a problem. And I just can't figure out why. But all over Jamaica, the main roads, the highways, parochial roads, they need better signage. Alright guys, let me know what you think. Leave your experiences of driving on these roads and what you think of the signage. Alright guys, enjoy the rest of the video. We're heading towards Melrose Hill now. Alright guys, have a good day.